Hello YouTube, I'm back, and today we have another easy, quick recipe. Today we're making corn muffins, and we're going to be using mainly pantry staples. The only exception is maybe the cornmeal, but you can find that at any grocery store for cheap. So let's get started. What you'll need is 1 cup of yellow cornmeal and 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 cup of honey, 1 cup whole milk. I'm using lactose-free whole milk because I have a sensitive tummy, 1/2 stick of butter, and 2 eggs. So let's get started. So first, in a large bowl, we're going to mix our dry ingredients. So the cornmeal, the flour, the salt, the sugar, and the baking powder. Next, we're going to melt our butter and mix our wet ingredients. Now mix together. Just stir carefully so it doesn't go over. I didn't want to use a big bowl because I thought I had space. But here we are. Now we're going to stir in our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients. You want to stir just till combined. You don't want to go crazy and over stir it. Just make sure everything's nice and mixed. So this recipe makes about 12 muffins. So you're going to either grease or put paper linings on a muffin tin and evenly divide the batter by 12. So we're going to let these sit here on the counter for a few minutes. And while these are sitting, we're going to start preheating our oven. You're going to set the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're back. The oven's preheated. These have been sitting for about 20-30 minutes. And now we're going to place these in the oven for 15 minutes or until golden on top. After 15 minutes or so in the oven, you should have 12 nice golden sticky corn muffins. These taste great on their own straight out the oven. They're delicious when they're still like fresh and hot. Still good. The next day I just toss it in the microwave for a few minutes. Few seconds, not few minutes. And I also like to add a little bit of extra butter on top because like Paula Deen always said, more butter, more flavor. I don't know if she actually said that, but it's Paula Deen. She probably did say that. So yeah, that's it. And there you have it. Nice, sweet honey corn muffins. Hope you try it yourself. Leave a comment down below on what you think, any suggestions on what to do for the next one. And yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Again, should have used a bigger, I got bigger bowls, but I refuse to wash them because they're so obnoxiously big that it's a pain to wash, so I don't like using them. But instead, I'm struggling with this tiny bowl. Oh no, I got it. We're good again. We're good! 2 times.